Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving Zarchiver explicit access to your files. Open the app, tap the three-dot menu, then pick Storage Access, choose your internal or SD storage. You must select the entire drive option. This bypasses Android 13 scoped storage limits. Once done, confirm grant in the system dialog. This step is critical because Android 13 restricts file APIs. Granting whole storage access lets Zarchiver read and write archives without repeatedly asking for individual files. Next, tighten permissions and reliability. In Settings, Open Apps, find Zarchiver, then Permissions. Enable files and media so the app can manage archives. If background access appears, allow it so long operations continue. Then go to Battery Settings and exclude Zarchiver from optimization. Otherwise, Android may kill long compress or extract jobs. Making these changes prevents failures mid-process and explains why some operations previously errored. The OS was blocking sustained file access or background tasks. Finally, verify everything by creating and extracting a small test archive in the folder you need. You want to confirm read and write work end-to-end. If you hit errors, go back and re-grant whole drive access. Sometimes the system dialog fails, and you must repeat it. If issues persist, clear Zarchiver's cache or uninstall and reinstall to reset permission prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after granting permissions. It forces Android to refresh access and often fixes stubborn permission states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.